Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook Moringa drumsticks. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Choose fresh, firm drumsticks that are vibrant green. Wash them well under running water to remove any dirt. Then, trim the ends and cut each drumstick into pieces about 2 to 3 inches long. This size is perfect for easy handling and cooking. Set these aside, and we'll gather our other simple ingredients. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your chopped onion and minced garlic. Sauté these aromatics until they become fragrant and slightly softened, which usually takes a couple of minutes. Next, add the prepared Moringa drumstick pieces to the pan. Pour in about 1/4 cup of water, cover, and let it simmer for around 10 minutes until tender. To elevate the flavors, let's add some spices. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and about half a teaspoon of chili powder, or adjust to your preference. For a lovely tangy note, incorporate 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly, ensuring the drumsticks are well coated. Continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. This step truly brings out the best in the dish. Your delicious Moringa drumsticks are now ready. Before serving, sprinkle generously with fresh, chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness and color. This dish pairs wonderfully with steamed rice, quinoa, or your favorite flatbread. Not only is it incredibly tasty, but Moringa is also a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Enjoy this easy-to-make, healthy, and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.